Hey guys, how is it going? Good morning. I am actually on today because I have to take my very sick dog to the vet, but I thought I would jump on here before the appointment and share my morning routine must-haves. And maybe you guys will respond and let me know what you think. Do you use any of the products I use every single day? And some of them are just so simple. I am not a makeup expert. Again, I am Nicole and I'm one of the admin in this group, and I am so excited to just share these simple tricks that help us women that are over 50, or not even if you are over 50. I've realized that there are some younger women in here, and smart on them for being here and just being ready to learn what to do before they get to the situations that we have in our 50s. So it is a great place to learn and share. So I just got out of the shower and I have nothing on my face, and you can see I have so much discoloration. That's another video. But anyways, I just wanted to share what I do every morning in my routine. First, I go downstairs and I have some quiet time with my dog and a cup of coffee. And I do use a protein powder in my coffee. It just makes it a little bit yummier, I guess. It's like a vanilla. I'll put that, if you need to know what it is. But anyways, it's a good way to get some protein in early in the morning. I do wash my face with something very mild. I always have used the CeraVe, and my skin gets dry. So I do use, it's sort of a normal, it has all different varieties. So if you have dry skin, normal skin, oily skin, CeraVe seems to have something for everyone, and it's not expensive. That's what I love. So I did wash my face already. I also use some form of micellar water. And I've just started using this because it really does get the extra makeup off. I do double cleanse at night. And in the morning I'll just swipe this across my face. I will wash once. Sometimes I don't even wash my face in the morning, and I'll just get one of those little round cottons and swipe this on my face real quick. I also use some sort of eye drop. My eyes get bloodshot easily, especially this time of year. My eyes are so bad with allergies and seasonal allergies, so I do that. One of my everyday must-haves is a vitamin C. I landed on Timeless. Someone else I saw that I really love following uses this, and I just tried all the different ones, and this one here seems to be the one that works best for my skin. I always will start my day with a little bit of this. I put it on my neck, on my chest, back of my hands. I just do this as a self-defense, skin defense, and it seems to work really well, even for my skin, because I am so sensitive to the sun. You could see I have a lot of discoloration. So I use that to help fade that darkness. And I also use SPF. We'll get to that. I am starting this. I started using this, I think it was 2 weeks ago. I'm always looking for the miracle cure for my neck. So you guys know what I'm talking about. It just is the first thing to really show your age. So I'm trying the Go Pure Tighten and Lift Neck Cream. And it is really creamy, and I love it. I had this band right in the middle of my neck that it really was looking rough, and it's still a little rough, but this does seem to be helping. It's crazy. I'm all for anything that will help my skin. This is one of the good ones. I can tell already. I also use moisturizer. I will bounce back and forth. CeraVe. I use this on my face. I love it. I just got the face cream by Saint, and it is a really creamy moisturizer. So I will do my vitamin C. I will put on my neck cream, and then I put moisturizer on my face, which really feels amazing. That always goes on the back of my hands. Also, another place that shows our age. It's awful. I will also use a sunscreen before I start my makeup. The one that I am using, I just started trying out these different ones. So Can Make Mermaid Skin Gel, SPF, love it. I just ordered a new SPF. I'm looking for one that works really well under makeup. This one works really well, but my makeup just doesn't stay with the SPF. So I'm looking I have to reapply because it, you know, I want to wear SPF, I want to wear makeup, but it always seems, you know, that you have to choose. You can't ever just work together. So if I want to wear SPF, I usually have to touch up my makeup just because it is what it is. But I'm looking for that holy grail. You know, if you know an SPF that you can wear and it keeps your makeup on all day, drop that in the comments, let me know. So I did moisturizing, I did SPF, I did my vitamin C. I will also, if I am just, you know, hanging out, not going anywhere, I will use my Aquaphor on my lips. Sometimes I put it below my eyes. You know, if it's a makeup-free day, I just, you know, want to moisturize as much as I can. But this stuff really helps with my lips. At night, I will put that on also. I put on all my potions at night, and I'll put some Aquaphor on top of it just to hold in all that moisture, and I wake up and everything feels so good. So another recommendation. And again, everything goes on my hands and my neck. So I'm trying everything I can. But those are my morning must-haves. So let me know what you use every morning and what works for you. And we could share it in the comments below. I would love to hear from you. So talk to you soon. And I look forward to hearing from all of you. Take care.